Yo, chat. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. What's good, bro? How you guys doing, man? How are you guys freaking doing, dude? Happy CPI day. Market's open. I don't think a whole lot's happening. CPI is kind of lackluster, to be honest with you. Bulls are trying to push us up here off the rip. So we'll see what we get. How are you guys doing, man? How you guys doing? Kev, good morning. G-Man, what's good, bro? Y'all heard it here first. G-Man coming in hot with the smash the like button as you enter. Holy. Has market open time change? No, never. It'll always be the same. Trunks, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Chat, let me get my Celsius out of the fridge real quick. Hang on, be right back. We shut my door. Thank you. All right, chat, we back. We back. Wife already had breakfast made too, so we're gonna eat while we're here. All right, chat. How's y'all's week been, bro? Everybody making some money? Sean, Chicago King in the building. What's up, bro? Trader 007. Good morning. Chat, we got the breakfast. We got the Celsius. We good, bro. We good over here. All day. I always forget to check, chat, that I need to make sure that my trade syncer is all synced up and ready to go. Nothing hurts worse, chat, than taking a trade and it'd be a banger and your copy trader isn't even synced up. Holy. Can't tell you how many times that's happened to me, bro. There's no worse feeling. Paul, good morning. Nasdaq bulls are coming in hot. We up to 25,085s. Not a lot of juice on the open. That didn't great, but you know, CPI was kind of lackluster, to be honest with you. Wasn't the best. We'll see what the day brings, man. Overall, like I'm not overly excited about price. Look at this range shot. Look at this, dude. Look at this range that we're in. Not very exciting, if you ask me. I mean, if you think about it, dude, like since the Sunday Open, we've kind of gone nowhere, which is kind of crazy. Hey, what's up, Miss K? What's good, baby? Well, we got to watch these levels up here. I mean, we crack 120s. I mean, we got room all the way up to the 200s. Up to the 200s. Kryptoneer says, hi, first time here. Nice to meet you all. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Been in a long MNQ from Newsview. Oh, nice. GG's. $9.75. Not bad. Not bad. It's a great long. All right, price getting above 100 there for a brief moment. We do have that level there at 124s or so, 125s. Be on the lookout for that because we smashed through that. We gonna be moving and grooving probably. Green on the new live account. Holy, run it back, baby. G-Man, you gonna freaking, are you sizing up in that thing, dude? Or are you just taking it slow? What's the game plan? What's the plan, baby? Tell me. I want to know. Taking it slow? Not a bad idea. Not a bad one. Bulls look like they want to smash through the 120s. Looking like we want to smash through the 120s, chat. We'll see if we can get up there. Got to 115. 115s. We have a 33-point ATR on the 5-minute. 33-point ATR, chat. That's a lot lower than what we've been seeing. Surprising coming out the open that the ATR is only 33 points. It's like the market's, I don't know. Chat, is the market waiting on something? What do you think, dude? I mean, we just had CPI, and CPI did nothing for us. I mean, we have PCE later this week. And JOLTS. So Friday is going to be a big one. I don't know, chap. Get a little pullback here. Mario, good morning. Mario says, morning, I'll just come in to say hi. Well, hello, Mario. Hello, dude. Hi. Nice to see you. Thanks for stopping by to say hello. Good to see you, bro. I'm glad I'm important enough for you to stop in and say hey. Been mostly trading. Been trading mostly Asia lately. Really? You an Asia boy now? You no longer trade in NY? You just said screw NY? The moves been pretty clean. Yeah, they have been. Leia, what's up? How you doing? Doing well over here. Doing well over here. Cannot complain, baby. Cannot complain. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great day, great week, great green week. Hope your one trade a day is thriving. It's thriving all right. Hit a loss today. Feel great. Hey, listen. Listen. If you feel good about your losses, Leia, you're doing something right. Doesn't it feel good knowing that you can take a loss and be all right with it because you did everything you're supposed to do? Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy how that works? You can take a loss and feel happy. Imagine how many profitable traders there would be if they could all do that. Can take a loss and feel good about it. Like, hey, I just lost $500 a day and it's the best day of my life. Like, can we all, like, imagine if we all felt that way? I'm happy because I stuck to my system. Exactly. Exactly. That's all that matters. Trust me, you feel much better winning and losing sticking to a system than you do winning and losing not sticking to a system. System matters, bro. System matters. A lot. A lot, a lot. Also, chat, I've been executing a lot off of TradingView. And dude, like the executions are just not as clean as TradeIfy. So I think I'm going back to TradeIfy to trade. Like I'll do all my charting on TradingView, but TradeIfy just the executions are so much cleaner, bro. Like the other day I took a long on the Nas for 10 points and it was on 1 mini. And I had orders set. It was bracket orders, right? So like literally once I entered, it set my TP at 10 points. It should have been a $200 trade. And when my TP hit, I only made $100. I'm like, bro, what? Like, that makes no sense. So I think I'm going back to TRADEIFY, to be honest with you. I've noticed that a few times, like the lag and there's like the poor executions. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to give it some time. But when it hit me for like 50% of my profit, I was like, okay, I can't have that shit. So going back. You can do JSON hooks on TradingView, but it's a little complicated. Yeah, that's too complicated for me. 150 away from passing TradingView accounts, past 4 lucid, and I already have 1 lucid funded. Holy, G-Man's just on fucking fire. G-Man, trying to get rich, bro? G-Man's trying to get absolutely rich, chat. Absolutely rich. All right, let me get logged in TradingView here. Screw trading on TradingView. He's already rich on the DL. Holy. I believe it. I really do. I believe it. A lot of buyers trying to come up off the VWAP bounce here. A lot of buyers. Nice little VWAP bounce. Nice bounce off the beatbopski. DeMello? What was that? What's DeMello mean? I don't know what it means, chat. Help me. Somebody help me. What does it mean, bro? Dominicans use it for tell me. Dímelo. And that's Spanish for tell me? In Italian, it's Isn't that the same thing? I'm confused. There's two M's in that. Or rather, tell it to me. Huh. All these languages, bro. Buyers trying to buy. See if they hold. Buyers trying to be buyers. Hold on, chat. I'm trying to figure out what my TradeSync is doing. It's not letting me like connect some shit here. So I'm trying to figure out why my connections won't connect. Like, hello? Why is this not connecting, dude? What the hell? Disconnect and reconnect them? I don't know. I gotta freaking sign back in. Hang on, chat. I gotta like disconnect everything or like delete these and connections and then sign back in. So give me a second to do this, chat. Fuck, dude. So annoying. All right. That connected. Let me get one. Try to sign back into this one now. Hang on, chat. Give me a moment. And that connected. Okay, we're good. All right, we're back in business. Let's go. Dude, a headline just came out from Trump that said practically nothing left to target in Iran. Holy dude. That's why the pump came in. All right, Leah, have a good one. Thanks for stopping by. What a massive bump from that, huh, chat? Massive pump ski. All right, we're in the 130s. Chat, I think we have room at 200. Like, if we zoom out and look at this, bro, we have room to go. There's room, chat. There's absolutely room to fly. My youngest is turning 9 tomorrow. She's gonna be happy. She's been wishing for her own desk and a laptop. She doesn't know she's getting it all. Holy, she's gonna be set up with a whole new office space. She's gonna become a trader. That's what's gonna happen. You're gonna turn her into a trader. Have her own setup, trading setup. Holy. Damn straight they can support me. That's what I'm saying, bro. Make the kids pay the bills, bro. It's time for them to grow up. You know what I mean? My son is 2, and he needs to start like learning how to trade, start making some money, so I can just retire. You know, my son got to retire me. Vielka, good morning, baby. How you doing? Doing good over here. Cannot complain. Trying to find a good trade to get in on here. So far, I'm not liking anything. This big pump was off a news headline. I'm not a huge fan. Getting some more sellers coming back through here. Got 2 trades done. Now I'm waiting for IB to set. Nice. GG's. Yeah, IB, I think, is going to be the play for me today. For sure. That's show for show. Just nothing here I really like. We have 165 point initial balance right now as it stands, which is a lot smaller than what we've been having. So today could be a little tricky. We're right at the 50% mark of the IB as for what we have right now. The only kind I can trade is either go buy an eval or my personal, since my funded are all locked out. I don't see anything at all. Yeah, I would just do evals. I wouldn't even trade personal on this, to be honest with you. I'm not trading my personal on this. I usually don't trade my personal on CPI days anyways. So my personal is chilling. I'm just trading evals and my funded accounts with TRADEIFY. Hey, what up, Brad? How you doing, G? Brad, you got to request a private office so you can trade without everybody knowing you're trading at your job. Oh, you're home sick. This kids and their illnesses are brutal. Holy. We'll get better. You can keep all that. I don't want none of that, bro. I don't want none of that. Absolutely none of it. No sirski. Brad, were you here when I told my boat story? I don't know if you were here or not. About the guy who was installing my trolling motor and fish finder, my live scope. I told it yesterday. Okay, so yeah, you don't know. All right, I'm gonna tell it again because Brad, I gotta tell you. You know, I bought a trolling motor. It's a Minn Kota Tarova, and I bought a Garmin live scope with 10-inch screen, and it's a bundle, the live scope bundle, whatever. And I bought a pole that you mount inside your boat. You mount the live transducer on instead of the trolling motor. So I posted on Facebook. You even commented on it. I was like, "Hey, does anybody know how to install trolling motors?" And I got a text from somebody who said they could do it. And these are nice people. I respect them. They're my dogs. Like this guy's wife, like baby, like dog sits my dog when I leave. So I have respect for them. But I got really annoyed because I feel like he used my boat as an excuse to get me over there to help kind of talk him through the market and help him make money through the market. But he's never really installed trolling motors or fish finders, doesn't have any idea. And he had my boat for 3 days. All for me to get my boat back and nothing be how it should be. So now I have to wait until the 18th to take it to the marine shop here in Springfield so they can look over what he did and then fix anything and then get it installed properly. But basically kind of used my boat as an excuse to get me to his house so he could talk to me about the market and let me teach him. Rather annoyed. So it wasted a lot of my time. Tell him to use code JM. Facts. Facts. Holy. Sellers feel like they want to sell this thing, dude. Do they want to sell it? I wish there was a way for me just to like, for nobody to know that I'm a trader. But there is no possible way of that because I'm a fucking influencer. Because I'm splattered all over the internet. There's no way for me to keep it a secret. Like, I would love to go ghost, chat. I really would. I would love to be a ghost. I could be a ghost, holy. Just a ghost in the wind. I don't even exist. But no, I'm splattered all over the interwebs. Stop posting and you will be in 3 days. Now, honestly, that is true. People tend to forget pretty fast. But I can't stop posting now. I got too many people that rely on me, bro. Too many people that want me here. I got partnerships and contracts. I can't stop posting. Well, Brad, first off, you're sick, so I ain't coming over there. I'll bring my boat to you and you can keep it and I'll stay at my parents' house, but listen, I ain't gonna get sick. No, sir. All right, Brad. Make you a deal. How long do you think it would take? See, there he goes, bro. Says, just bring your laptop. The boat and the fishing stuff is unimportant. We just need to talk about the market, bro. No. No, sir. No, that's fine. Yeah, no, Brad, I feel you. When you're not sick, I'm down to help you out, Brad. I'm down to help you. It's just like random people. They're just chat. You guys don't even know how many messages I get on Facebook. That's like, can you help me? Can you talk about the market? Can you give me advice on my stock portfolio? Can you help me with crypto? Like, bro, shut up. You're coming out of the woodworks. I haven't talked to you in like 8 years. I haven't talked to you since my junior year in high school, bro. Like, why are you messaging me? You think I owe you? No. Get out of my DMs. Bro, I swear, dude, it's like the audacity. And it's like, I feel like they don't mean anything by it. I know that. Okay. I know they mean nothing by it. But it's like, at the same time, bro, use your brain. Like, you're messaging me. We haven't talked in like 10,000 years since the fucking like dinosaur ages. And you're messaging me asking me about your fucking stock portfolio. Like, bro, I know nothing about you. I know nothing about your portfolio. All right. No. Do you quant trade or no? No. Adam, hello. Brent, what a calm CPI day so far. Exactly. It's been pretty chill, pretty lackluster, to be honest with you. Approximately how much do you make per month from prop firms trading? Anyway, it depends on the month. It depends on how many accounts I'm trading. It all varies. I mean, generally I trade no less than 5 accounts. So at minimum, about 10K a month from prop firms. Just because I trade no less than 5 accounts. Like I always have 5 fundeds. And so if I get a payout from them, then that's generally 10 grand right there. But it does vary on how many accounts I'm trading that month. And there are some months where I don't get a payout. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I'm not a fucking perfect trader. So there's been like in the past 6 months, there's been 2 of them where I haven't got a payout. But the other 4 I have. So I can't give like an exact number just because it depends on the amount of accounts, but at least 10,000. Have you announced the winner? Not yet. Jan, can you talk about the copier you use? TradeSync? TradeSync, in my opinion, is probably one of the better copy traders out there. It's you can sign into any of your prop firms, trade all of them, trade all your props. If you have TRADEIFY, Lucid, Apex, whatever, you can sign into every single one of them on TradeSync and trade all of them at once. That's pretty much all there is to it. I have a YouTube video on my YouTube channel that goes over TradeSync and how to set it up. How long have I been trading? Going on 7 years total, but for futures, 4. I was a swing trader before I day traded futures. Wow, this got heavy. I was a swing trader in stocks. But then I came over to the future side of things. High time frames are all red, yeah. Yeah, this got heavy real fast. Real fast. IB will be set here in 5 minutes. I've heard the stock market is easier to trade than futures. There's less risk because it's less leverage. I mean, you can always leverage up in stocks, but there is less risk tied to trading stocks than there is futures. Futures can be dangerous. Chat, give me just a second. Be right back. All right, we're back. His chart now looks like a body is just in the shadows, or just me? Did it look like that? All right, about a minute and a half till IB is set. Chat, as a heads up, I will be on Ninja Trader later today. I'll be live on Ninja Trader at 1 p.m. Wow, what a wick out of that cell. I'll be knocked the F out. Yo, I wish I could be. I would love to be asleep. I would love that. Wow, what a flip on that 5-minute candle. Holy. What an absolute flip. Our ATR is back up, chat. It's up to 51 now. ATR is moving to the upside. We're starting to get some more volume coming through the market now, which is nice to see. A little bit more volume coming through. See if buyers want to hold this down here after wicking out like that on the 5-minute. That was a weird flip on the 5-minute time frame. Weird flip. Seller is bringing it right back down though. Do we go push lower? Have I taken any trades yet? No. I haven't taken anything because I was waiting for IB to get set because I didn't like any of this. But now that IB is set, I'm down to take some if there's something that presents itself. We got sellers bringing us right back down. We are breaking below the IB there. I have a weird glitch in trading view on this, like a gap here. It's weird. We have a 28-point ATR on the 1 minute. Big buy up. Big old buy up. Right back above IB low there. I'm not 100% convinced on this, so I'm not going to take that just right now. I want a little more confluence, so we want to hold IB low because sellers did get pretty heavy. So I want to see a little bit more confluence here before I jump on that. Not a bad move. All right, let me change some windows over here. Let me duplicate this, drag this over. That way, because I'm going to take trades on TRADEIFY, so that way you guys can see if I take this long here. You guys will see it. Just taking it on some evals here. So far, there we go. So far, we are trying to hold above IB there. Buyers look pretty decent. I can get a pullback here, I'll take the long. This was the strength I wanted to see above IB low. So if I can get some sort of pullback, I'll take it. All right, we'll take a long there off that pullback. If I could take this from range to range, that'd be nice. Again, we're taking this trade based off us breaking below IB low here, finding some good strength, looking for buyers to continue us back up. Chat got disconnected. Chat, are we still here? I think we're still here. Cool. They need to pop VWAP and you're good. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. What's IB low at? 978. See if we can get this VWAP pop here. We like barely popped VWAP. Let's see if we can get a push through this. Beautiful. Now really get a pump here. See if we can really get this pump. Got to hold above VWAP. Oof. Chat, I don't like that. That's a nasty rejection there. Nasty. All right, let's see if we can get back above here. Again, we are playing the IB low failure, so I don't want to get overly concerned with VWAP because we are playing the IB low as it failed. So we're looking for higher continuation. But VWAP could cause a problem. Another rejection right there. Pretty steep reject, honestly. We're going to hold. Dang, what a rejection here. My goodness. Trying to get back above VWAP here. There we go. 50% mark of the IB is at 80. Well, 79. But VWAP causing us some problems, chat. Holy. Come on, give us the pump here. Give us the pump ski. Trying to get more of a pump here. Oh, I realize you guys can't even see like my. Hold on. There. I didn't realize you guys couldn't see the P&L up there. Come on with it. Holy, what a slow drag. I would love to get the 50% mark of the IB. Can I get the 50% mark? All right, chat, close enough. We got to 51s. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off there. That was a great trade. I mean, we took that. We got made 400 bucks on 4 micros just then. I mean, great trade there. Great trade, all off the IB low failure, chat. See that? All off the IB low failure. We broke that IB low, saw strength, took the long. I really wanted the 50% mark, but this was kind of worrying me, especially as we got up into here. We could still, like, honestly run this, but getting up into here and showing a little bit of weakness, it was worth taking off. So $400 on 4 micros right then. Can't complain. Can't complain. IB failure remains goated. Facts. Dude, they're so powerful. So powerful. And people wonder why I talk about them. People wonder why I talk about them. That's exactly why right there. We took hardly any drawdown. I think most we were down was maybe like $100. If that. You gotta love it, baby. You gotta love it. The chat, I think if you're not already subscribed, I think that deserves a subscribe button. Executing what we preach. You get an IB hold or failure in a morning star pattern, I take it, or evening star on top. Listen, add any confluence you need, baby. More confluences you have, the better. All right, Kev. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, appreciate you, appreciate you. What up, Starboy? I didn't see you come in, bro. My bad. My bad. He's a motherfucking star boy. What up, Trey 007? Bang, bang, chat. Holy. I think that's a one and done for me. I mean, we waited all morning for that. I think that's a one and done, chat. 400 on 4 micros. You know what I mean? I think that's a one and done, dog. I think I'm gonna call it there, chat. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Caught a banger trade right off IB. We love it. You love to see it. Chat, I'm gonna call it there. It's a great day to have a short day. I got Ninja Trader at 1 o'clock this afternoon. Be sure to come through. Love you guys. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Any fried duck for this win? No. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for tuning in. If you're not subbing, hit that sub button. We are live daily, baby. Live daily. Holy. Love you guys. Stay absolutely beautiful. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.